Colourpop, we need to talk. Alright, y'all, so I cannot even begin to tell you how excited I am to have purchased this palette. I'm dead ass serious. Of all Colourpop's palettes that I've ever purchased, we're just gonna give a moment of silence to the Sailor Moon collection because yes, Colourpop, yes, sis, they did their fucking thing on this palette. Oh my god, it's such a beautiful palette. And I'm always a sucker for packaging. Like, time out. The fact that it's Sailor Moon, like, okay, the most beautiful anime cartoon ever. I already knew once they like kind of like peeped it that it was gonna be a really pretty palette because the colors in the anime Sailor Moon, if you ever see, are just such beautiful colors. And the packaging, like, just baby, come on, why are you doing this to me? It is such cute freaking packaging. You have the hologram cover, and I'm just gonna hold out a little bit. I'm not gonna go deep in just yet because it's not just about the packaging. All right, the packaging is on point. I got the Pretty Guardian palette, which, bruh, just the packaging alone is just everything, okay? I'm excited to show you guys the colors that are in this palette because it's probably one of the best combination of colors I've seen come from Colourpop in a very long time. Also was the pressed powder blush Cat's Eyes, and again, another beautiful package. Like, and this is not even the actual compact. I'll show you what's inside the box, but the box alone on this collection is ridiculous. Alright, so we also have the Moonlight Lip Bundle, and I got Bunhead Ultra Blotted Lip, and this is also one of the, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I don't really know what I'm serving you guys today because I'm just in awe, alright? I'm just in awe. I just want to use every freaking color that comes inside this damn palette. I'm probably gonna go with a rainbow look because I'm not gonna front. This palette is really freaking pretty. This is she. This is the Sailor Moon Colourpop palette, and she is so freaking beautiful. So I'm not really sure where I'm going with this, so y'all be a little bit patient with me. I want to give you guys a cute look, but look, we just never know what comes out of this channel. We never know. So yeah, go ahead and stay tuned if you are interested in learning how I achieved a cute Sailor Moon Colourpop collection look. And I also want to shout out myself for making these earrings. Shout out to me for just being creative and just bringing the whole vision together, okay? I had to make my Sailor Moon earrings to match the pack. So I already laid down the foundation, my concealer, my bronzer, and my setting powder because I wanted to strictly focus on the eyes. And like I said, I'm not really sure exactly where I'm going with this palette, so you guys just stick with me, okay? Alright guys, thank you so much for rocking with me for this tutorial. We're going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm using my Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm also using my concealer by Kat Von D in color Light 16. I'm going to pretty much carve out the shape that I want my eyeshadow to adhere to. In this case, I'm doing a winged shape so that our eyeshadow will kind of form into the wing that we're kind of stenciling out right now. So it takes me several times, I'm not gonna lie, to get this shape perfectly, so take your time, guys. It really helps if you have a precise brush like I'm showing you guys here, very small in detail, so you guys can get in the crevices really nicely. But if it's not perfect, the eyeshadow will definitely cover up some of your mistakes. So as I said, just take your time and try to like get the best shape as possible. So finally we get to jump into this palette. I'm so super excited. I've been waiting for this moment. So we're going to start off with the color Justice, which is a beautiful yellow golden color, and we're going to place that right into the corner of our crease, and we're just going to pat it into the concealer. We want to make sure that it adheres really pigmented, and then we'll move on to the next color. So right next to Justice, we're going to go ahead and dig into Tuxedo Rose. I'm using a eyeshadow brush to place this down. I would prefer for you guys to use something more compact. This brush was actually giving me a little bit of difficulty getting it really pigmented and matted down onto the concealer, but nonetheless, it still worked. So we're going to go ahead and place Tuxedo next to Justice and blend that in. Alright, moving right along, we're going to jump into Eyeshadow Loved, and this is such a pretty color. It's like a burgundy, red, pinkish. It has some glitter in it, and it's just really pretty. So we're going to go ahead and place that right next to Tuxedo Rose, as pigmented as we possibly can get it, and then make sure that we blend all of it in smoothly. You don't want to see like where Justice or Tuxedo Rose ends. You want to make sure that it all seamlessly blends together. Alright, next color we're going to jump into is called Miracle Romance, and it's such a pretty fuchsia purplish color, and we're going to place that right next to Love, and make sure that you blend it in like really good so it's just like a smooth transition. Alright, last but not least, the last color we're going to be using is called Lunar, and it's such a pretty metallic purple. This is a really pretty color. I'm excited to use this. If you are still here with me right now in this tutorial, you are amazing. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you're not already. It's so important. I will be giving you guys more tutorials, especially Colourpop reviews. I love Colourpop thus far. But back to the tutorial, we're gonna go ahead and blend that in and make sure that you wing it out. Very important to stay close to the concealer as possible. So we are almost done and completed with this eyeshadow look. We're going to place eyeshadow onto our waterline, following the exact same color pattern parallel to what we just finished doing. So first we're going to start off with Justice, then Tuxedo Rose, Love, Miracle Romance, and then we're going to finish it off with Lunar. I am back and this look is almost completed. I went ahead and did my winged eyeliner. I'm using e.l.f. in color charcoal, and then I went ahead and used lashes. I'm not exactly sure what lashes these are because I threw away the box, but I do have a tutorial that you guys can follow if you're having a hard time placing on false eyelashes. I'll have that linked at the top of this video so you guys can go ahead and watch whenever you're ready. So now we're going to go ahead and dust off that excess setting powder, and I'm using Laura Mercier to set my face. But now that I'm pretty much done with my eyeshadow and I'm done baking, I'm going to go ahead and use my Real Techniques brush to go ahead and dust off that excess setting powder. So next we're going to go ahead and place some mascara onto our lower lashes. Hey, so we are almost done with the look. I love when I come to this part of my makeup routine because that means I'm finished almost. So next we're going to go ahead and jump into lips. I am using my NYX lip liner in color light brown, and this is my go-to lip liner literally because it can go with anything. It's just to give your lips a nice extra definition. So it's just kind of prep your lips for whatever color you're about to jump into. And in this case, I'm using the Colourpop Sailor Moon collection, Moonlight, and this comes with two really pretty colors. One is actually a blotted lip and the other one is glossy lip. So I'm going to start out with the blotted lip color, which is called Bunhead, and referring to Sailor Moon's buns, duh. And then I'm going to next lay on top of that the ultra glossy lip, which is called Sailor Moon. So Colourpop's palettes are always so versatile. I'm gonna go ahead and use Silver Crystal to actually highlight my face. Okay, I'm gonna use that on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and of course my favorite place, on my forehead, because I like to look shiny there. Yeah, like if you ever notice, Colourpop always puts in metallics inside their palette choices, and the metallics make a really nice highlighter. Yes guys, we are done. We have made it to the finish line. This is my favorite part of my makeup routine. That means I can get my ass up out this chair. But this is what I'm serving you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy this look. I have done a similar look to what I'm serving you right here. I will also link that video, but it's just different colors. But I don't know, like as soon as I opened this palette, I just saw a rainbow and I was like, let me just go for it. So thank you guys so much for watching. As I said, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and do so you can be notified whenever I drop some more videos. If you're back to my channel, guys, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, enjoy your day. Bye.